Alright guys, we're gonna start our day at the Bondi store. They have an open house today and there's gonna be all kinds of cool fishing stuff. So we're gonna go inside and check out all the stuff inside there. I mean, there's a lot of new product for 2025 that's gonna be amazing for the walleye season especially. And there's a lot of musky stuff. I mean, you know, Bondi's the musky king. And let's go in there and just check it out, man. It's good. So this is the Bondi shop. Let's just walk through the door. You know what? I'm not even gonna stop the video. Let's just walk right in. Ready, Jerry? Yeah. Oh, he's forgot something. He's got his tactical jersey on and his fresh Bronco. What's up, my brother?
What's going on with you, man?
Good, man. Good.
You hear yourself?
Oh yeah, trying to. All right. So this is the Bondi store, guys. So we're gonna walk this way. This is the open house. And the first thing we walk through is Better Bites Tackle, Angel Piper.
Hey, Buck.
How you doing, brother?
Good, how are you?
You got some nice jigs here. Look, he's got a whole plethora of them. He does Southern Ontario stuff also, so if you guys check him out, man. There's all kinds of new stuff. So Better Bites Tackle, he's even got bandits here and stuff. So, pretty cool. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, thank you.
All right, enjoy Detroit River. The next station here. We got the Reaper Muskie Charters. What's up, my brother? Man, these guys slay. Look at those monsters. What do you guys catch on? Do you guys just the Bondi stuff, or oh, you guys do a lot of trolling, eh? Okay. That's dope. That's dope. So Reaper Muskie, guys, check out their charters. We're gonna take a walk around and we're gonna look at everything that's in here. Look, it's like a real booth. We're from the Bondi right here, and I think Bondi's back there. Let's go shake his hand real quick. Good morning, Mr. Bondi. Thank you. Welcome me for the open house. How are you doing, sir? So he's got a bunch of reels. If you guys ever want to come check him out, check him out. He's got tons of stuff. He's like pretty much a tackle warehouse. And then we got the Jig Shop here, guys, which is Anthony.
Hey, how are you, Buck?
Good, brother. How you doing?
How are you, man?
So he's a new product out in their area. We got the Jig Shop here. I mean, there's a lot of plethora of stuff in their area. Yep. So he's got a nice good stand here. Some new colors that we haven't even seen.
These are our worm crawler harnesses. These are our fully adjustable drop shots. So if you take a look here, guys, our fully adjustable drop shot, never retie again. Perch are hitting high and low, walleye hitting high and low. You just pull those beads apart, right there, and slide it right back down.
Jeebus, I seen that on the
cinches down, doesn't move, grease tested, water tested. These are fire.
That's
Pick
amazing.
them up before we sell out.
Oh, there's two hooks too, eh?
Yeah.
Okay,
and our jigs pair well with these. Jigs pair well with these buckfish. He's got fantastic colors out there. Great product.
Thank you, my brother. Oh, yeah, you got some awesome products. So next station, let's try to get everybody in here. But this is some bass lures, some KVD stuff. What's up, my brother? Where are you guys from?
I'm with Luz.
Oh, Luz. Okay.
Ontario.
Nice. So I actually met a Luz representative for the first time, which is pretty cool. So
we got Strike King, Luz.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Get out of here. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. So you guys, the Jig Shop, I actually received a drop shot that I'm actually going to try. We are going to definitely use this in a video. Wow, that is actually pretty cool. So Fishing Evolution right there. There's the phone number. You guys want to check them out? Like I said, check them out. Sorry, sir. I apologize.
Oh, no worries.
Okay, so he's a Luz representative, and he's got some new speed
Strike
sticks.
King, Luz. So Quantum, Luz, Strike King, we're all one company now.
Nice. Damn, that's huge.
Great basils. The smaller ones, phenomenal. Phenomenal turtle baits.
That's 4.75 inch? Yeah, that's big. I'm saying, like, for me, yeah. If you want some big bass.
Walleye, bass,
My inches are off, man.
The staple of Lake St. Clair, drop shotting.
Yes.
Baby Z2s.
Yeah. Pretty much the
I have
undefeatable.
a stack of this of multiple colors.
All right, thank you, sir.
No problem.
All right, let's go to the next few stations.
Hope you enjoy it.
Thank you. I will. I definitely will. Definitely going to use this in a video, and hopefully I catch a lot of big perch with them. We'll use this for Lake St. Clair. Thank you so much. What's your name? Gabriella. Nice to meet you. Thank you so much.
Hey.
What's up, guys? What's up? How you guys doing? So we got a bunch of bandits here from Shady Customs. So you guys can see they slay a lot of walleye in Erie. I do a lot of trolling and roughly around like July-ish for the big boys tournament. That is Big John. John. Big John here.
Linda.
We co-designed this.
The Big John here.
Wow, they got a Big John here color also. So if you guys get out here, represent Big John, man. One of my favorite YouTubers on the Detroit River. You gotta watch him. He's a staple for sure. But holy smokes, that's a lot of familiar faces on this board. Jesus Christ. Wow. Yeah.
Bondy, you see that one from like way back? There's one on there. There's a picture on there for when I first met
This
him.
what? The smallmouth?
Oh, the one with the small mouth?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at
I
John.
think he was like 19 or something.
Damn, John looks so young there.
Oh my god.
That's funny.
You guys want to see John Bondy and 19 years old right there, bro?
That's the name of your relative. So young.
I wasn't even born yet. Oh, thank you so much.
nice meeting you.
They sell bandits and stuff like that. Do you guys want to check them out? They do a lot of Erie fishing. You guys troll? This is a spot to go.
Oh, you got a picture of the
Shady Custom, guys. Shady Customs right there. So they have a...
Slim Shady custom.
Yes, okay, Slim Shady Custom. Sorry.
That's all right.
Yeah. So right there, the phone number's on the back.
So well.
Yeah, man. Born in Canada, but my English is not so well. Thank you, guys.
That's it.
Awesome
Nice meeting
product. So we got the spoon section. This is the whole trolling section here. What company are you guys? CC Colors, custom painted lures, right there.
You can have that card if you want.
Sure, sure. So you guys do a lot of trolling in Erie and stuff like that?
A lot of handlining I do.
Oh, a lot of handlining, eh? I've never handlined
Guys are
before.
buying those for trolling in Lake Erie for walleye.
Nice,
And I just
nice.
started getting into this. This is for steelhead.
Okay. That's beautiful. That's a beautiful print there. That one, I've never even seen that before. They even got the eyes on them and stuff like that.
Yeah, put eyes on everything. That's
Oh,
even my blades.
Oh, shoot, look at that, guys. Look at that. He's got pages of them, different styles and everything. Oh, yeah, definitely a good look. Nice product, sir. I appreciate it.
You were fishing on the Thames this year, right?
Yes.
I saw that video.
Yes. Thank
How
you.
many did you end up getting?
I got 5.
5?
Yeah. Yeah, 5 total.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but
got a
you and
lot.
Brady got 11.
Oh, no.
Yeah, what
Between
time you got
me and
more
my
than that?
between me and my buddy, we got 11. Yeah, he was on fire.
The week I can't fish with them, they go out and slay walleyes. Next week we go out with one.
Go figure, eh?
I'm his
They're
bad luck
roughly
charm
like
on the
4 or
Thames.
5 pounds. I mean, they look bigger on camera, but it's like 4 or 5 pounds.
Oh, I thought there were about 5 or 6, 6 or 7.
One was like closer to the 6,
Yeah,
but the rest were like 4 poundish. Yeah, they weren't huge ones.
You were by the Y.
Yes,
See,
yes,
that's great.
yes.
I did that when I was a kid. We used to go there all the
Yeah.
time. Get any silvers or catfish?
No. The white catfish. Yeah, one catfish. Yeah,
We used to get a lot of catfish there.
yeah. There's tons.
We used
But-
to go up to Majax Rapids. You know where
Yeah?
that is? Up above the shack.
Okay.
Patrol in small boats.
Really?
One little flatfish.
Damn. Okay. I never knew
Never
that.
got any big. We won't let you on until the 19th of April.
Yeah.
So we would fish up there.
Okay, I got you.
Anywhere beyond Chatham
Yeah.
until the 19th of April.
I got you.
All you're catching is
Yeah, that's all you want, though. That's all you want.
Is that your channel, Buckfishes?
Yes.
Okay, I'll go back there and watch the other ones.
Thank you. I appreciate it, sir.
This is what I make if you want to put it on.
Yeah, I'll make my way around. I just wanted to make a full circle and check everybody else.
I got some fish in there.
Oh, he's got some fish prints.
wow. I just got it because I want to get a new book.
Thank you, sir. All right, so we got some rods here. We got all Bondi's rods here. We got musky rods, trolling rods.
Chicken rods, the walleye.
Digger rods. He's got everything. Everything going on inside here, guys. There's so much people and so many things going on. All right, please do not touch. Just ask. Look at that one. There's a walleye. What is this made out of? Stone? Clay?
This is a piece of 2x6.
Oh, really? So you can't. Oh, wow.
I cut out the shape,
Yeah.
and then I flip it on its side and I make 2 of them. So this one this is a mirror of that one.
I got you. That is cool. Yeah, he's got some ducks. Yeah, he's got the mahi. That is actually pretty cool. Yeah, that looks like a sailfish, guys, or a marlin, whatever you want. That's beautiful work. Beautiful work, my brother. Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
So we're at the tactical station here. My favorite station, and there's Pete. You guys see him in all the videos? Represent, brother, represent. And then there's the king of tactical. So D, how you doing, brother? So, you guys know I'm a part of this team, and I love this team so much. They make one of the greatest rods. You guys want to get out there? I'm gonna try to get myself one of those compact jigging specials soon. You know, and we're gonna get on the water and fish from the boats. But they got all kinds of new stuff. They got the new musky swim bait here. It's actually made in elastic, so you guys check that out. Beautiful. Ain't no muskie taking that apart. Those are gonna take apart the muskie. And he's got some new well, he's always had plastics and stuff
New
like
swim
that.
bait coming out in April.
Oh, that's dope. That's dope. It's even got the eyes on it too. Hey, you gotta check that out. That's a nice profile, man. It's got the fin on the back. Woo! There's a lot of new toys this year. He's like got a bunch of jigs too this year. So you guys check them out. There's the tactical box. Actually, can we see the reel?
New spinning reel?
So there's the new spinning reel, guys. Check that out. Look.
So you can hold it and play with it.
Oh, you can tell I get excited off of this. Right there, guys. My favorite team, Tactical. They've been taking care of me very good, and I can't ask for anything better. Thank you, D. Oh yeah. So we're gonna go and try to check everything out, but you guys should get some tactical gear. You guys can link up on Facebook or whatever. They have a site. You guys have a site now, right?
TacticalFishingGear.com.
There you guys go. There you guys go. And you guys can pick up anything you guys want. They're always gonna hook you up. They're always gonna take care of you. Oh, this. Do I have cash here? Here's some Dave McCready fun.
Yeah.
Thanks, buddy.
Yes, sir. So you guys know that Dave McCready owns Angler's Choice, and he needs help right now. And if you guys ever get a chance to find a way to actually help him out, I would love and appreciate that you guys do. He really needs us, and he's actually a very, very good person. And it's not always about fame or fortune. Health is better than wealth, guys. So we just gotta take care of each other. Right?
Thanks, buddy.
Yes, sir. So now we got, sorry, my brother. We got the Domos section.
What's up, Buck?
What's up, brother?
Alright,
I'm
man.
trying to make my way around to see everybody.
Handsome young man. Go, Dom.
Every time I see these guys, every time I
need a hug,
oh yeah, every time I see these guys, they look like they're getting younger.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Birthday, Jared.
Oh, thank you, sir.
I wish you happy birthday. I'm very proud of you.
Birthday, you had one of those? You admit that you do?
Yeah, sadly. Thank you.
Still young, though.
So you guys right
Just turned
here,
43.
Domo, by to me, he has the best jig on the Detroit River.
Thank you.
Hands down, no matter what. They're beautiful, they're gorgeous. He's been around for a long time. This is actually definitely a staple, and a lot of people do know about Domos. I mean, you don't have to say anything about them. They speak their own mind. You know what I'm saying? Like, they tell the truth. And if you guys get a chance to, like I
High
said,
quality paint finishes, best hooks on the market.
oh, crazy, man.
Hooks on the market.
Yeah, when you get into a snag, that's the end. You're not getting out. You're not getting out.
Toronto. You're donating a jig.
Yes, you're donating. You can't bend out those
No, I
hooks,
don't.
but
I
they're
have,
beautiful.
I just have a...
That brush thing?
You guys gotta check out the Domos. Just show you guys all the cool
I
stuff
have
around
a
here.
What's
I have
that?
an Arky.
Domo jigs. We got some Ranger nets. Everybody's Ranger nets. We got the Georgia bait chewies. Oh, and I think these are trolling musky lures. Those are actually pretty nice. Look at that one. That's a nice fire tiger. Sorry, you don't mind if I touch those?
No,
Okay.
The fish are going to bite him, so don't worry about
I like that. The fish are gonna bite them. So you guys check those out right there. I think there's everything in these places, right? What's this right here?
So these are lure wraps.
Oh, okay. Okay, so if you guys ever have like a crankbaits or bandits or anything.
Yeah, so it'll fit the small ones this way or the bigger ones this way.
Wow, they're universal.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I do custom boat canvas, so
Okay,
make it covered. If you need a cover, I'll make it covered.
Yeah, there you guys go. some boat canvases if you guys want to check them out. That's amazing. I like that cover. That's amazing.
That's a great idea.
Oh, it's amazing.
Especially when you're running to move to another spot.
Yeah.
You know how the bait will be flying around
Yeah.
and everything. That's a good idea.
That's amazing. It's a great idea. It's a great idea for sure, 100%. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. And then we got the Scotty Too Hottie.
Got it too hotty.
Oh, I
Get
don't,
in there. Come
I
on,
don't
it's
know.
not too early.
I don't. It's a little too early to me, man.
No, it's not. This one's sweet.
I'm
Try
trying to
the
go. I'm trying to go fishing after, man. I might melt all the ice.
Melt it around the ramp so we can all get out.
But then we got a spin wheel for a raffle. You gotta check that out. I don't know what. Oh, there's all kinds of prizes and stuff like that. So pretty cool. Hi, Debbie. How you doing? Thank you. Thank you.
I love it.
Yeah, I just coming to check out the store, show everybody what we have in Windsor.
Oh, yeah.
Represent everybody. You know what I'm
A
saying?
little bit of everything. So it was only for the Okuma Deadeye, but then he's only got one rod here, and I just got that one finalized, so I decided to open it up to all Okuma.
Okay.
Spend $99 on Repel, you get a shirt, buy 4 plastics or lures, and get the binder. Buy 3, get 1 free. And if you spend $50, you get to spin my wheel.
Oh, okay.
It's fun. And check this out.
Can I spin again?
Oh yeah, of course you can. Check this out.
Where's that musky baton?
That's to keep you in line, brother.
I'm just kidding. The musky baton. Thank you, Debbie. And then we got. I think this is Y'all Live Fish. Yeah, Y'all Live Fish lures, guys. This is the last booth inside the section. They make custom. What is it? The trolling bandits and all that stuff.
Homes and stuff too.
Oh yeah, that's amazing. Look, beautiful colors, guys. Beautiful. And we can use for Erie too. There's lots of toys and lots of new stuff this year.
They silhouette against
But like I said, if you guys ever come to the Bondi Open, you guys are gonna enjoy it. I mean, there's a lot of stuff to look around. Look, just come hang out with check out everything. I mean, there's all kinds of cool stuff. If you don't like fishing or love fishing, I mean, this is a good place if you love fishing. So, you guys like that? Come check them out. You know what I'm saying? Check out everybody. I just mentioned right there. You can even check out myself. I have my LSC Pro Tackle. We have a link in the description below. You can even order my products, stuff like that. Get on the Detroit River. I'll probably see you guys next time jigging out there. But like, I just want to show you guys the Bondi Open House. And like I said, enjoy you guys walleye season and have a lot of fun. But nice to see you guys. Catch you guys on the next one. Fuck off.